In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to Zoho CRM. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, making it straightforward and easy to understand. Let's get started by navigating to the home page of your Zoho CRM. Once you're on the home page, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Setup option. It usually appears as a small gear icon and is your gateway to customizing your CRM settings. After clicking on Setup, you'll be directed to the Settings page. Here, look for the option labeled Modules and Fields. This is where you can manage your CRM's data structure and customize the fields to meet your organization's specific needs. Next, you'll be presented with a list of modules displayed in tabs. Choose the one you wish to customize. Modules in Zoho CRM represent different functions such as contacts, leads, and deals, each containing various fields. Select the appropriate module that you want to add a custom field to. With the module selected, the next step is to create a new layout, a feature that allows you to set up a new structure for the fields. This can be particularly useful if you're planning to segment your data differently or if you're working on a new project that requires specific information tracking. As you proceed to focus on new fields, it's important to understand what this area offers. This section gives you a variety of field types that you can choose from to ensure you're collecting the right data. These might include options like single-line fields, multi-line fields, drop-downs, and more. Tailor them to match the type of data you want to capture from your contacts or leads. For practical purposes, let's start with a simple customization. Click and drag the single-line field from the options to your chosen layout area. This action allows you to add a straightforward text field where users can input data in a single line. Should you need more than a single-line text field, feel free to explore other field types and drag them into the layout as needed. Experiment with various field types to find the perfect fit for the data you are gathering. Once you're satisfied with the layout and fields you've added, go ahead and click Sounds. You'll then be prompted to type in a layout name. This step is crucial as it identifies the new layout you've created, ensuring that it's easily recognizable among other layouts. Finally, you have to set the layout permissions. Choose the appropriate permissions to control who can access or edit this particular layout, enhancing your data security and integrity. With everything in place, click Save once more to complete the process. And that's it! You've successfully added custom fields to your Zoho CRM, tailored precisely to your organization's needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been informative and helpful in enhancing your CRM experience.